In the 1960s, new technology had been made which allowed scientists to measure brain changes. Edward Bennett and his colleagues began an experiment that incorporated these technologies to evaluate the effect experiences had on brain growth.
The hypothesis is that rats that are given bigger and better experiences will have bigger brains than those that don't.
The method went as followed. They took a group of rats and placed them in 3 separate environments. One rat was placed in an impoverished environment by itself, which had a smaller cage and adequate food and water. The next environment consisted of several rats and a slightly bigger cage. The third environment was a utopian-like environment. 6 to 8 rats lived in a well-furnished cage with a lot of living space. It was filled with a pool table and other playful items.
And here we have the awesome room, where our rats get to play, have fun, get a social education that they need, and give high fives.
Of course, scientists are more interested in human subjects than rat subjects, but it was pivotal that we use non-human subjects. One reason because rats are very inexpensive and they breed a lot more, so it's easier to examine their brains than actual human brains.
Before the study was done, it was thought that people who had acquired more knowledge, either by reading more books or going to more school or being taught more things by teachers, would have larger brains, either because they had more mass in their brains, or they had more neurotransmitters, or they had larger neurons. But after the study was done, it is found that people who actually had more experiences actually had larger brains.
Thanks to this study, we now know how to apply these findings to our own lives and our own children by giving them better experiences as they grow up.